Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you're probably tired of these same generic runs, so in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually build your own custom workout in Garmin Connect app and send it straight to your watch. Yes, that's it. It's actually about how to create a whole workout in the Garmin Connect app in 2026. So let's break it down fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, we're gonna go all the way, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. As I told you, we're gonna open the Garmin Connect app. It's time now to log in using your email address and password. Then tap on more or this three-dot menu. So as you see here, we have this training and planning settings. Tap on it, and you will be able to see multiple options, including this workouts, races and events, courses, and basically other details. For example, we're gonna tap on courses. All you're gonna do is tap create a workout or create course here. Just pick whether you want road cycling, gravel and paved cycling, mountain biking, running, trail running, hiking, or even other. You can even go to either then pick automatic, it depends on you. So as I told you, build your own sessions, then add steps. Choose warm up, intervals, rest, then cool down. You can also set the duration, including time, distance, or even the lab button. For strength, you can basically search about 100 exercises or even more. It's basically even more, I guess, yeah. Then repeat it until your workout is fully completed. All we're gonna do now is tap on save and give it a small name. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.